Welcome to the Vault, version 3.0. We're going to talk about saving models to look at later and also saving individual aircraft within the model. So here we are at our landing page and we go to JetFinder search bar and we enter the Global 6000, and as you may have seen before, up comes the Global 6000 market. Nice simple button right here that says save the model. Now we have saved the model so that when next time we come back to the Vault we can see it. I can also save individual aircraft. I just happen to like the first two there, and so I save those two, and now the airplane is saved so that the next time I come into the Vault I look at saved models. There is the 6000. We can expand it here, and there are the two aircraft that I had saved. Notice also that in the previously we had saved the Dassault Falcon 8X and the Gulfstream G650. So you get the idea that you have the ability to save models and aircraft for looking at in the future.